as far as I'm concerned, like that's bacteria's job is to like eat things and break them down.
Yeah, but where do they come from? If they're
Yeah.
not native, why do they take over when you die? Like, where do
It's not
they
that they
come
take
from?
over. They just help bring it. Come on, are you kidding? We're just you can't escape the filth.
Is that what
At
the
some point in our
UFOs are
existence,
delivering?
they enter.
Full circle. Love it.
Bacteria bombs.
And that's actually one of my
Exactly,
favorite
bacteria
conspiracy theories.
bomb.
But
The-
it's
the
everywhere. It makes
bacteria are
perfect
the aliens.
sense.
Yeah,
That's
I've
true.
heard that.
Yes, absolutely.
What's the
No, that I
YouTube
believe.
channel
I
Kutzkagan?
mean, listen. I mean, it's I do believe. I mean, how did life come on this planet if not by some bacteria that came from space on some rock, and then that started life?
Panspermia for sure.
So, are we? I mean, I guess we're the aliens. But at some point in your life, bacteria enters your body and it stays there. Your
Yeah,
microbiome.
we
What?
are a collection of aliens. We are not the aliens. We're just a
Like I
collection
said.
of aliens.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Fine. When I say we, anyway, finish this thought. Like you, I can't confirm this, but I would be surprised if I was right in this assumption that your microbiome's full of different kinds of bacteria that have entered your body at some point in your history and set up camp and exist. And, the idea is for us to have a healthy gut microbiome. So the majority is the stuff that is beneficial to you. But there are other ones there that just will always exist. And they're not meant to be there, but they exist and they have another purpose, or they're opportunistic. And when you die, for example, the ones that eat you are there and they're like, it's party time. He's done. Everyone, like, the other good ones die with you. And so those ones are still around. They're like, nice, let's party. And then they eat you. They're just laying and waiting,
It's actually one of the reasons why antibiotics are being pushed out, not just because of superbug resistance or the encroachment of them, but the fact that when you take an antibiotic, it's like carpet bombing the neighborhoods inside you. Like most antibiotics are general. They'll just wipe out all of the species, or at least most of them. And so you just leave all these broad swaths of open land for just anything to colonize. Basically, whatever opportunist comes with your next meal will just populate your gut and you'll have imbalance issues. Yeah.
Yeah.
And that can take a long, if not forever, to fix, right?
Yeah.
It depends. Yeah. And I think depends how, aware you are of it.
This makes me really okay. So I have a very close relationship with this.
Yes. What is that, estrogen. Ruby? Please tell the viewers.
Estrogen.
Yes.
This is Progenova. 1 milligram. And recently a study came out saying that these, like changing hormones doesn't just do what we think hormones do. It basically rewrites a whole bunch of systems at the fundamental level within your body that done like it's a reprogramming of everything that you are over a year or two.
It's some other script given into your DNA to change things, another code being written.
Yeah,
exactly. Now, sorry?
But then you have hormonal messages. Electrical messages are more for things on really fast time scales, like pay attention to that. Oh, there's a tiger over there. But like for longer scale changes over the minutes, hours, the days, hormones are the messenger of sorts. So like Luigi, you're asking about bacteria. How do they communicate with the brain? It's mostly through hormone secretion. That's how this back and forth happens, through the blood, from bacteria to brain, and then brain releases hormones back into the blood. And so when you add some hormones into the blood, everything kind of has to change its model of the world to accompany this new reality. Now there's these hormones floating through that I would normally react to, but now they're there all the time. So I kind of have to
subtract out that noise and reestablish what is a message and what's not. It's a very broad change caused by any hormonal